Rebar module function introduction. Draw stirrup. Irregular stirrups. This command draws various types of external stirrups. Click the irregular stirrups function, using circular stirrups as the example for the demonstration. Set the stirrup drawing parameters. After setting all parameters, click OK. Select circular column. Circular stirrup drawing completed. Draw stirrups. This command draws rectangular stirrups in all common configurations. Click the Draw Stirrups function. Set the stirrup drawing parameters. Enter the number of longitudinal bars and erection steel bars per row. After setting all parameters, click OK. Specify the first stirrup corner point and other corner point. Stirrup drawing completed. Fillet stirrups. This command draws fillet stirrups. Click the Fillet Stirrups function. Click to pick each point of the custom stirrup. After selecting the last point, press the spacebar to complete the drawing. Fillet stirrups drawing completed. Draw tie bars. This command draws tie bars. Click the Draw Tie Bars function. Specify the first point and the second point of tie bar. Tie bar drawing completed. 135-degree tie bars. This command draws 135-degree tie bars. Click the 135-degree tie bars function. Specify the first point and the second point of tie bar. 135-degree tie bar drawing completed. S-shaped rebar. This command draws S-shaped rebar. Click the S-shaped rebar function. Specify the first point and the second point of the S-bar. S-shaped rebar drawing completed. Additional hanger rebar. This command draws additional hanger rebars in the plan view. Click the Additional Hanger Rebar function. Use the window to select the beam intersecting lines to draw additional hanger bars. Specify the first and the other corner of the window. Enter the annotation text for the hanger bars. Specify the direction of additional hanger bars. Enter the magnification factor. Specify the annotation location for the additional hanger bars. Additional hanger rebar drawing completed. Additional stirrups. This command draws additional stirrups in the plan view. Click the Additional Stirrups function. Use the window to select the beam intersecting lines to draw additional stirrups. Specify the first and the other corner of the window. Enter the number of encrypted stirrups on each side. Enter the diameter of the additional stirrups. Enter the number of additional stirrups. Specify the direction of additional stirrups. Specify the annotation location of additional stirrups. Additional stirrups drawing completed. Thanks for watching. Best for all Explorer software.